Once you have completed the entity mapping, you must proceed with the Catalogues mapping. You can go to the Map item of the menu and select Catalog. From the drop-down menu, you can select the activity and then the entity. The system shows a list of the mapped attributes and their type. You can map only variable from your national database linked to a catalog attributes type. In case you have chosen the automatic upload of your data from the national file at the final stage of the entity mapping, the values will be already available in this section. Otherwise, if you had chosen not to upload your national data, you must manually type your values before starting implement the correct associations. For each value, you can proceed with the correct association by clicking on the Edit button. In this case, type area is a complex type mapping, so we have to associate two EFSA's catalog values for each one of your national database values. You can choose the correct value directly from the drop-down menu or start writing it. Every association must be saved before proceeding to the next one. Once you finish mapping all the values of the current attribute, you must continue with the others. In the case of simple mapping, for each national database value, you should link only one value from the EFSA catalog. In the case of multiple mapping, you need to combine two pieces of information from your database to match with a single value of the EFSA catalog. In current mapping, the national database attributes, reproductive level and reproductive purpose must be linked to one value of interest from the drop-down list.